First of all, I wasn't created, I was given birth to. Things they create don't have life. I know you know about this book I'm holding. You call it holy book.
Okay.
But I did not call it holy book. I call it a story book.
Okay.
It's a story book. That's why you can find it among other story book in a library or a bookshop.
That is true.
Someone told me Bible doesn't have power. A Christian, a pastor that told me Bible doesn't have power.
There is no power in it.
But the word in it, that means this write-up has power. Growing up as a child, they told me if you tear Bible, you're gonna run mad.
That's what they talk.
If you burn Bible, you're gonna run mad.
That's what they talk.
If you put Bible on your head, you're gonna run mad.
That's what they talk.
Nothing will they never tell me as a child growing up.
That's so.
But I don't want to accept the fake religion again. Both Muslim, both Christian. I don't know if any other beliefs or practice
away from them.
Existing in Nigeria. I don't know. But this particular two religion that we know in this country, I don't want to accept them.
From it. Accept yourself.
You told me that remembering someone who passed on before me, who their DNA run through me, is a sin.
Can you imagine?
That means I'm calling on a dead person.
See?
I remember a dead person. So remembering your dead friend, your dead father, your dead mother, it's bad. I don't worship my ancestors. I remember them.
Not so.
I remember them.
Not so.
I remember they exist. I know they exist. I don't believe in them. I don't worship them.
Not so.
I know they exist because I carry their DNA.
Not so.
A pastor told me that everyone in this Bible passed on. I now asked
just
the
recognize
pastor,
your ancestors.
So since the pastor, what did you call them? You say ancestors.
Okay.
So you are now calling on Israelite ancestors to come and save us African. They are not even related to Israelites.
Greatest lie
now,
of all
if
time.
they take you to Nazareth to do DNA test, there is a full 100% possibility that your blood will not match anyone there.
Simple.
Or you claim that your father from there, your Jesus Christ from there. But if they take your blood to someone in your family that passed on 10, 4, 5, 6 years ago, there is a possibility that it's going to match.
Okay.
And you told me I should not remember them. That is a sin to remember someone who passed on. You people, a lecturer will go and sit in the church listening to what his old fellow man that he know everything about has to say. A Christian told me that everyone has access to hear from God. Everyone has access to see God. And I asked him, since I have access to see God or hear from God, then why going to church? Why dress every morning, go and sit down in the church listening to what a man, a human being like me has to say from the same spiritual being that you claim that I can hear from?
Critical thinker.
There's no need say in every organization there is a leader. There is elders.
A leader.
There is leaders. So you are telling me that a Christian religion is organization that we have to go and sit down and listening to elders telling us about our own father that we know about. Coming to my house every day telling me about Jesus. Someone told me, did you see God? Yes. How does the God look like? No one has able to see God. God is a spirit. So spirit now sit on the chair. You said that you see God. I'm not asking you, how did your God look like? You're telling me no one has ever seen God. But you just said you've seen God countless time. And after that you started, let me tell you how I take see God. You know, and when I came to so place, life was tough. I was this, I was that, and suddenly I was a smoker. I was this, and suddenly those shit happen to every human being. Sometimes it happens to you when you are still tender till you grow up. Growing up as a human being, a lot of things left you without you even knowing. Things you used to do leave you without you even knowing. Person like me, things I used to do when I was 15, I find myself not doing them again. It's not a miracle. It's just a normal thing.
Process.
Now I'm on my 30s now. So if I add other 30 years now, things I do now, I will find myself not doing them again. It's a normal thing. But a Christian sees everything happening in their life as a miracle of God. Why? Someone told me I've seen God. How did you see God? And let me tell you how me I come in contact with God. I was a womanizer, I was a smoker, I was this, I was that. When I newly come to this place, and suddenly a slap came to me, and then I forget how he put the story. And I asked him, I'm not a citizen of Bayelsa too. I just come to Bayelsa. What you go through as a non-citizen coming here newly happened to me too. That comes here newly, who is not even a Bayelsa citizen. So
that is reality
what are
of
you even
life.
saying? What happened to you happened to me, because we are human beings. This is reality. You're telling me in the presence of God there's a fullness of love, a fullness of everything at the top. But when once you leave the presence of God, you claim reality hits you. You get back to your house, you now remember, oh, I never chopped. Oh, my house rent will expire in 2 weeks. Oh, my shop rent expire in 1 month. Oh, never bill is tomorrow. Oh, this is that. Oh, that is the reality that is waiting you. Forget the fullness of whatever you claim. You get?
Don't hear that, Mabi. Lies from religion called Christianity or Muslim has expired in Africa. The greatest lie of all time comes from religion. The greatest deceit, manipulation, politics, fabricating story, presenting what is not real to be real. All these things comes from religion. That is why as onye Catholic, o nwere oge a gwara mụ na gị na-abụ ọ na-enata olili were ihe na begidebie. Enwere ike echi niile ma ọ bụ immediately blood eju everywhere. When you go that story before, lie eji a control gị nwa nọ n'ime religion. Ha bụ megidekwuru project that na onye ngwụrọ gara ije to promote name Jesus. Agwaghị na onye ngwụrọ gara ije, na onye isi furu ụzọ, na onye ogbi kwuru okwu achịnye crutches enu, bunye wichi enu. Ife niile abụ lie si n'ime religion apụta ebe a na-promote the name Jesus. Do you understand me? So it's either you wake up now and start facing reality of life. Know that no matter Jesus or God on any way get save you up. Carry mmadụ ibe mụ na gị na bụ gọọmenti. Ife ga-protect and save us. Akwa ife ihe ndị Fulani militias na-eme na Northern Nigeria. Jesus abịana. Akwa mmadụ bụ onye a na-ayọ biko onye agbata ọsọ enyemaka. Ịnụrụ ya oziokwu a na-agwa gị taa, take ya very soon. Help me share this video.